Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of 80 words per minute and is of Andhra Pradesh. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you, members of the third Parliament of our Republic, to its inaugural session. Amongst you are a large number who have been members of Parliament in years past and who once again sought the mandate of your respective electorates and received at their hands a renewal of confidence. There are others among you who, though not new to public life or perhaps even to legislatures, have been elected to Parliament for the first time. I congratulate you all and welcome you to united endeavor in the service of our common motherland. Each one of you will find in your tenure as members of Parliament, whether it be in the legislature itself or in your constituencies, vast and varied opportunities and compelling necessities for sustained and constructive work in the service of our country. The task of nation building, for which Parliament has both the continuing and ultimate responsibility, calls for the full exercise of your capacities of deliberation, analysis, constructive criticism, vigilance, and dedication. About a month ago, I addressed the last session of the Second Parliament and bade them farewell. I then surveyed briefly the progress that was being achieved in different fields of our national life and effort. The country has made progress in many fields even during the short period between that occasion and now, when I have the privilege to welcome you. Our planned economy is the basis of our material development and of the maintenance of a dynamic social and economic balance. The third 5-year plan is in its second year and has made a good start. It is envisaged as a large-scale effort to build up our national economy, to increase the productivity and employment, and to ensure the development of society on the basis of justice, social, economic, and political as enjoined by our Constitution. The plan must increasingly bring within its scope of implementation larger numbers of our people as participants in production with both skills and understanding of the national objective. Pilot projects for the utilization of rural manpower were initiated some time ago. This rural works program is being expanded and now it covers 200 development blocks. Pilot projects for the intensive development of village and small industries in selected rural areas are also being taken up, the ultimate aim being to bring about a diversified and balanced economy in all rural areas. Messrs. Bhotra and Company, Mumbai. Dear sirs, in reply to your inquiry of 6th instant, we now have much pleasure in submitting to you a copy of our new price list as requested. You will notice that our terms of discount at 5% for payments within 3 months from the date of invoice, and we may add that we make a special allowance of 3% extra for prompt cash. That is, if you pay the amount against delivery of goods, you may deduct 8% discount. We wish to inform you that there is a very possibility of increase in the near future. We would advise you to send your orders for any articles you may require at the earliest opportunity and thus secure the present low rates. If you place your order now, we shall be pleased to forward the goods in 1 month's time at the current prices. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Manager.